After discussing about the acceleration, now let us discuss about the two types of accelerations. One is positive acceleration, second is negative acceleration. Let us see what do you mean by positive acceleration. If the velocity of a body is gradually increasing, then we will say the body is traveling with positive acceleration. For example, you assume a train started from a station. When it is in the station, its velocity is 0 and it started to move out. You can observe that slowly the speed of the velocity of the train increasing gradually. In such a situation, we will say the train is traveling with a positive acceleration. In the case of positive acceleration, initial velocity is always less than the final velocity. That is, u is less than v. Initially, the body has less velocity, and time being, the velocity of the body is increasing. And second is negative acceleration. It is also called as retardation. It is also called as deceleration or deacceleration. Now let us see what do you mean by negative acceleration, otherwise retardation. If the velocity of a body is gradually decreasing, then we will say the body is traveling with a negative acceleration or retardation. For example, a train approaching the station. When train is approaching a station, the driver in the train applies brakes and the velocity of the train gradually decreases and it comes to rest when it enters into the station. That means the velocity of the train is gradually decreasing now. In such a situation, we will say that the train is traveling with a negative acceleration. So in the case of negative acceleration, initial velocity is always greater than final velocity. So u is less than v in the case of positive acceleration, u is greater than v in the case of negative acceleration. Now the point is, if initial velocity, final velocity are same, that means the velocity of the body is not changing, continuously it is moving with the same velocity. Then we will say the body is traveling with a uniform velocity, and in that situation, what would be acceleration? Since v and u are equal, you will get 0 by time, that is 0. So when a body is traveling with uniform velocity, its acceleration will be 0. 0 acceleration, it means the body is traveling with uniform velocity.